Hello children, now first class mathematics. So now we are explaining subtraction. It is our topic subtraction only. So we already subtractions will be completed, our syllabus is completed, but I will explaining again. Revise it children. So revision only. So now subtraction of numbers. See here OBSERVE. Observe THETA FOLLOWING following PICTURE pictures ANSWR answer THETA GIVEN given QUESTIONS questions ORALLY orally. So here observe the following pictures. Here some pictures having children. Yes. So answer the given questions orally. Okay. So here down one given questions. So here HOW how, MANY many, ELEPHANTS elephants. How many elephants ARERTHERE there? How many elephants are there? Elephant spelling ELEPHANT elephant. So here where is the elephant children? Where is that animal? Here elephants? No. Oh, here only having elephants. Yes children, this animal only elephant? Yes. So how many elephants are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elephants having? 4 elephants. So here writing 4. So next one. HOW, second question children. HOW how, MANY many, RABBITS rabbits. Rabbits, where is that rabbits? ARERTHERE there. So how many rabbits are there? So how many rabbits are there children? Here only rabbits? Yes. So how many rabbits having? So let us find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rabbits are there. 5 rabbits. So how many elephants? 4 elephants. 5 rabbits. So next one. Third one. HOW how, MANY many, RABBITS rabbits, ERER more, THAN then, THAT that, OF of, ELEPHANTS elephants. How many rabbits are there? More than that of elephants. So how many more rabbits are there? So here 5 rabbits. So 4 only elephants. So how many more here? 1. So 1 rabbit is more. All of you understand? These 4 elephants only, 4 same. How many is more? 1 more. Next one, fourth one, HOW how, MANY many, MONKEYS monkeys, ERERLESS less, THAN then, THAT that, OF of, squirrel, squirrels. So we're having how many monkeys are less than that squirrels? So where is that squirrels? See here. So here how many monkeys having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many squirrels having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many monkeys are less than that squirrels? So how many monkeys are less? So here one square, here one monkey. Here two monkeys, here two squirrels. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6. So one squirrel is less. One squirrel is less than monkey are less than 2 then squirrels. So next one, how many? HOW how, MANY many, TURTLES turtles, RER MORE more, THAN than more than, THAT that, OF of, GIRAFFES giraffes. So how many turtles are more than that giraffes? So here giraffes, how many having here? 1, 2. Here turtles 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many is more? So here one giraffe, one turtle cut. One giraffe. So two giraffes and two turtles cutting. So remaining that turtles only more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 turtles are more. So how many snakes are less than that of birds? So here snakes, how many snakes are there? This only snakes. So snake spelling SNAKES, snakes. Bird spelling BIRDS, birds. So how many snakes are there here? 1. So birds 3. So how many more? So one snake, one bird. So remaining 1, 2. 2 birds only having. So this like only check it and write it, children. Count and cut it and write. So this cutting only, subtraction only, children. So here next page. So here one boy is playing, I think. Observe here. OBSERVE, observe. TH the SUBTRACTION, subtraction. OF of NUMBERS, numbers. SHOW unshown. BELOW, below. FI undefined. TH the REMAINING, remaining. THINGS, things. Observe the subtraction of numbers shown below. Find the remaining things. ONE1 EXA MPLE, example. IS is GIVN, given. Example is given here. So from, so this boy is playing only. Yes, what is this? Balls. How many balls having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 number 2. So 2 only is taking. Is taking 2. 2 is subtracted. 1, 2. Two is subtracted. So remaining how many? So 2 is subtracted means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 remains. So subtracted spelling SUBTRACTED, subtracted. SUBTRACTED, subtracted. Remains, remains, remains. Okay. Do the following subtraction, subtraction. Do the following subtraction as above, above, writ, right, th, the, correct, correct, numbers, numbers, in, th, the, boxes, boxes. Do the following subtraction as above. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. See here. Oh, one basket to having mangoes only. Yes. So how many mangoes are there in the basket? So let us count, children. How many mangoes are there in this basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many mangoes are there? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 mangoes are there in the basket. So this boy only came and he taking 2 mangoes. How many mangoes he is taking? 2 mangoes. 2 mangoes only he was taking. So remaining, so how many mangoes are taking? 2. So from 6 number 2 is subtracted. From the 6 number 2 is subtracted. subtracted, subtracted. So remaining how many? How many are remaining in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only remains. So remains, remains. So 4 mangoes only remains. So next one here. All if you understand, children, here from 6 mangoes to 2 is subtracted. So 4 is remains. observe, observe, subtraction, subtraction, shown, below. Observe the subtraction shown below. So here 1, 2, 3 flowers only having. In these 3 flowers to 1 will subtracted here. 3 to 1 subtracted. So remaining 1, 2. 2 flowers only remaining. So all of you understand, children? So here one symbol is there. Yes. So what is this symbol? Subtraction symbol. So this is called minus. What is this? Minus. Okay, in addition symbol like this only. Plus. This is the addition symbol. Plus. So this is the subtraction symbol. Minus. 3 minus 1. This is the subtraction symbol, children. What is that? Minus. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to is answer. What is answer will give? That answer only writing here. Okay, children, practice it. Or if you understand this subtraction concept, okay, children, in next class 2, next topic I will explain.